Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to understand some unique behavior of Siemens NX. And these unique behaviors will be comprising of two tricks. Let me just show you through the demonstration. The very first trick is regarding the mouse button tree. So if I come to the center, I really need your focus on this graphics window. You do not have to focus on these things. Have that to be pin open. Now, I hope you can see clearly the model and the graphics window. So the very first trick is regarding the mouse button 3. If I hover my mouse here and keep it here for a few seconds, and it will auto pick the reference. That blue dot is set to be the reference for the rotation. So it is auto picking up the reference. So this is the first unique behavior of Siemens NX regarding the mouse button 3. And I need your focus now on the status bar. At the status bar, you can see that it is saying as rotating view about XY. So it is rotating the view about the XY plane. Okay, so this is the very first thing. Now, if I come down here, now the cursor is at the bottom of the graphics window. Now, if I just press the MB3, which is the scroll bar button, or you can say as which is at the middle of the mouse. So if I just press it and rotate it, now you can see it is rotating view about Y axis. And if I just come here to the left hand side of the graphics window and going to press and hold, the mouse button 3 and then rotate it. So you can see at the status bar, it is saying as rotating view about X axis. So this is the first unique behavior. This is the second unique behavior. This is the third one. Now let's come to the fourth one, which is here. So if I rotate the model from here, so you can see it is saying as rotating view about Z axis. This is the third. First, second, third. Now let's understand the fourth. Fourth one is going to be same as from the left hand side because it is going to rotate the view from the X axis. So these are the unique behaviors of the Siemens NX regarding the mouse button 3. Now let's come to the next trick or next unique behavior. If you just have focused in the very starting of this video that where is my ribbon and how do I hide it in just simple 2 clicks. So you have to just double click on the home and it will get displayed. And if you do not need it, so double click on home and it will get disappear. Now, some viewers may say that if I really need to use any command while being the ribbon to be get hidden, so how I can do that? For that, do the simple thing, like if you want to have some command from surface, click on surface, pick the command and done. If you need something from assemblies, click on assemblies, pick the command and done. If you want something from the model or 3D part modeling, just go to home, pick the command like H-blend and it's done. So this is how you can use the NX. So it is all up to you whether you want to get the ribbon to be displayed or you can be in this mode currently in which I am, and you can click on any of the tab and use the particular command. So that is all regarding the unique behavior of Siemens NX. I will bring more videos like this if this video is going to help or boost your modeling skills. So that is all. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have learned something new from this video, please do hit a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.